working on something in here right now, man. Hey, listen, Ruchi, get your coochie. But comment below, how much coochie can he fit in this van on Ruchi's, man?
Get your tickets for this beautiful big wheel bagger. Make sure you get your giveaway tickets. Make sure you get your tickets. See you soon.
Grass final as my shape burns. I shed a tear before the night's over.
It look good.
My phone is
I want to see if it has gas.
Like a gallon of it. Yeah, like a gallon. What kind of juice is it? 110. $13.40 a gallon. I put that 5 gallons in there, I'll burn every bit of every.
What's happening? This is my 72 Impala. I call it G and Gray. Did a lot of work here in Charleston with In-N-Out Customs, you know, Sage. I did a lot of work and Sage had to go back through it and fix it for me. But here we are. We at Rick Ross show, having a good time.
Yeah, we put the 16-inch put that brick on. Look at the children.
Yes, sir. Back at it again, all the way from Toronto, but this time we're at the promised land. Yes, a lot of people didn't think we'd make it out here, but we're here. We represent Canada. One of the few people representing Canada out here. But yeah, take a look. How we looking, though? How we looking?
Yo, listen, we out here at the promised land. Y'all know Rick Ross house, man. I told we got Roochies over here, Roochies over there. That means there's gonna be a lot of coochie getting down here. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all know Roochie get your coochie, right? I'm talking about I see Roochies on the van, Roochies on the Oldsmobile, Roochies on the Cadillac. Don't listen. Roochies everywhere, man. So y'all know some Roochie takeover. Cause y'all know Roochie get your coochie, man. But we out here at Rick Ross house, man. Listen real good. It's gonna be a good time. So if y'all ain't here, y'all better get here tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know we do it, man. City to city, state to state, man. Roochie, get your coochie, man.
What I tell you, boy, sideways.
You know
You
sideways.
sideways. That's how I'm coming. I told you I built motor. That's my name, boy. Sideways. Listen, if you trying to get sideways, click the link. Get some tickets. I give you this. You heard what I said? I give you this.
You want to get sideways, man? Go to NDRAContent.com, man. Click the link in Carlos Miller bio.
Hey,
Click
look
my
right here.
bio.
You gotta see, look how sideways I got right here.